planet Earth is the only planet to support life. And so, every year on 22nd April, the world celebrates Earth Day to make people aware of the boiling issues faced by our planet, such as global warming, climate change, pollution, etc. So, since when are we celebrating Earth Day and who started this movement? Well, 22nd April 1970 was the first time Earth Day was celebrated, but then it was only restricted to the United States of America. Later in 1990, this environmental movement spread across 140 countries, making it a global event. Pollution in America increased to such an extent that it started to impact the health of its citizens. Deeply concerned by this, Senator Gaylord Nelson of Wisconsin organized various groups and organizations to address the deteriorating environment in the country and encourage people to take action immediately. And that's how Earth Day was born. Ever since Earth Day became global, various environmental activists from around the globe of all ages have been actively taking steps to make the world a greener home for all of us. On this Earth Day, let us meet some of these amazing heroes contributing towards the betterment of our planet. Starting with one of the youngest environmental activists in the world is India's Lissipriya Kangujam, who is just 9 years old. She has been a part of the United Nations Climate Change Conference in 2019. Not just that, she also set up an activism body called Child Movement to raise awareness for the protection of our planet by tackling climate change and natural disasters. Air pollution is on the rise in India, and to make people realize its seriousness, she has also designed a device called the Suki Fu, a survival kit for the future. She aims to convince the Indian government to pass a law in the light of climate change and to make it a compulsory subject to be taught in schools from an early grade. Aditya Mukherjee, a 16-year-old teenager from the state of Haryana, India, started out as an activist to protect the environment at the age of 13 with a mission to replace 50,000 plastic straws with eco-friendly paper straws. He has been able to remove over 6 lakh plastic straws till date, successfully convincing hundreds of restaurants and street food stalls to opt out of the usage of plastic straws in order to reduce the consumption and pollution of plastic on our planet. Aditya has surely achieved a milestone. Hailing from the eastern country of Africa called Kenya is another 16-year-old boy, Lazen Mutunki. Lazen loves to play football, and he transformed his passion into a movement to build a green planet for all of us. For each goal that he scores, he plants 11 trees, and he has been successful in bringing his friends to spread awareness about the environment and act upon it in every possible way. Till now, they have collectively been able to plant more than 1,000 trees. He believes that you are never too young to make a difference, and that every little action towards the environment counts. Not only kids, even well-known actors of the film industry have contributed towards the Earth's well-being. One of the most respected artists in Tamil cinema, Vivek, was known for carrying forward the dream of late President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, of planting 1 crore saplings. Despite an untimely demise in April 2021, he has planted more than 25 lakh tree saplings. He had launched the Green Kalam Project, a massive tree planting drive in 2011, and had planted nearly 33,23,000 saplings so far, and had targeted to plant 1 crore trees. Vivek had travelled extensively across the state and spread awareness about global warming and environmental protection, particularly among the student community. When it comes to determination, age is just a number. Hailing from Karnataka and aged more than 100 years, Salumarada Thimmakka is known for planting more than 7,000 banyan trees along the highway between Hulikal and Kudur in Karnataka, India. Today, her trees are maintained by the government of Karnataka, and she continues to be a role model to environmentalists around the world. She is a recipient of various awards such as Padma Shri and National Citizens Award. She was also a part of BBC's 100 Women in 2016, a United States environmental organization based in Los Angeles and Oakland, California, called Themakas Resources for Environmental Education, is named after her. The future belongs to you, and to protect our earth, we must act today. These 5 activists are not just environmental heroes, but an inspiration for each one of us to look after our planet just like we look after our family. After all, we call our planet Mother Earth for a reason. She takes care of us, and we must return the care to her. Happy Earth Day!